I'm gonna show you how to change your water filter in your GE refrigerator. It's real simple. It's the only thing you have to do. I'm opening the refrigerator here. This is in my garage. Only thing you have to do, you don't have to take the cover off, but I take it off anyway so you can see. It's pretty easy. Just squeeze it and pull the little left side and it comes right out of the slot. It's very simple to do. But first, what you want to do is you grab the filter and you want to put a little pressure push up on it and twist it counterclockwise. And you got to keep the pressure on it because it's going to pop a little bit because the pressure on the water, and it's going to spill a little water. So put your towel or something under it to keep it from spilling water. And it pulls right out. And once you pull it out, you probably want to check your O-rings and clean around it, make sure everything's okay. And that's really all to it. So I'm going to put it back on, just line it up and make sure it's lined up in that slot, and then turn it clockwise. And you notice that it's screwing in while it's turning. So that's it to it. I'm gonna take it back off again and I'm gonna turn it the other way. And it really don't matter which side you put it on. So I'm gonna push it in and turn it clockwise. And you hear the pressure water fills up once you do that. And that's all to it. And to put the cover back on, you just put it on the same way you took it off. Just line everything up to put it on. And down below in the description is a link to Amazon to purchase this filter or covers. So I get a little percentage if you purchase from this link. All right, thank you. Have a great day.